Human-computer interface. How people interact with everyday devices. Human and computer interaction. Smartphones has become a very important part of our everyday lives. Some of these popular phones on the market now, like the BlackBerry, provided users with a user-friendly interaction to satisfy both business and social needs. The BlackBerry Touch. Users interact with this phone differently. The option of some users was that the QWERTY keypad reduced their attempts from lengthy emailing and SMSing and felt more comfortable using the touchscreen interaction, whereas the users of the QWERTY touchscreen found that it was a bit more difficult to type as their fingers touched too many keys at a time, resulting in continuously mistyped errors. However, because users like both the touchscreen and keypad for different reasons, the device that combined the two styles, simplicity and diversity, was the BlackBerry Touch, and indeed the preferred smartphone. This phone provides reliability, productivity, and efficiency with its impressive combination of features to specifically perform tasks such as, but not limited to, internet browsing, email on the go, IM capability, social networking, document viewers, media and video player, organizer. The Touch was much easier to use as users switch between style to comfortably interacting with the device. We observed a participant, 23-year-old student from Costat. Characteristics of the participant performing the selected task were: person appeared to be happy, was smiling, was deeply engrossed into the device. They hardly speak or pay any attention to what was going on around them. The device made them very occupied. They showed little social interest, seemed easily distracted by the device. Sliding and typing of the device capability took place. Participants seemed to be using the QWERTY keypad and the touch QWERTY. The person frequently used the device touchscreen for faster movement and for immediate response. How observation took place. The participants were selected randomly. The persons with the phone in observation were observed during normal daily activities. Several participants with the mentioned phone were observed during normal daily activity, while traveling in a maxi, having lunch in the cafe, and studying in the library at school while doing schoolwork. Results: BlackBerry saw that some users were unhappy with the touchscreen and some disliked the keypad. However, BlackBerry Touch and its unique interface design was able to bridge the gap between the two set styles, where a user now had an option to simultaneously use both the touchscreen and the keypad. Most of the users still preferred the QWERTY keypad, especially for long emails and text messages, but also continuously to take advantage of the touchscreen to maneuver through the phone. As a result, the BlackBerry Touch was considered the preferred device over its competitors, such as the iPhone, strictly touchscreen, and the non-touchscreen phone. Example, Me Too. BlackBerry has always excelled at email and text messaging, and RIM gives no exception to the rules wireless phone with an integrated keyboard to carry out its lavish tradition and a combination of touchscreen experience where users benefit from its captive variety built in this device, with an improvement in its networking features which allows smooth interaction with your colleagues and friends alike on various networks. Another improvement is the tabbed WebKit-based browser, which is based on the Sapphire browser found on iPhone and the Chrome browser found on Android phones. In addition, RIM is still the smartphone wars, and while it doesn't have a fast processor as the Samsung Galaxy series, and while the iPhone is a better all-round device, the Touch provides enough for an excuse for an everyday BlackBerry. So athletes and businessmen to remain loyal to the device, maybe until the BlackBerry device starts shooting, spotting gigahertz processor or a smoother interface.